you are going to go ahead and log into your account. You should know it's your username at k12.smcps.org. Your password is your lunch number with the 18. Go ahead into the waffle once you log into your email, click on Docs, and go to the plus sign. You are going to learn how to use Google Draw. So click Insert and Drawing and New. If this video goes too fast, just pause it. Okay? Then you get to choose here what you want to add. Okay? So if you want to add some lines, here you go. Shapes, here you go. Got all sorts of different shapes. And then if you want to add text, it's right here. And then you can add images. I would recommend looking at the stock images. Okay, and say you want to do dogs. I'm going to click dogs and hit enter. I've got some different dogs. You will see it's a little bit limited, but that's okay. These are kid-safe images for sure. Okay, say I want to pick this guy here. I'm going to click on it and say select. All right. I'd like to change the size, so I click the arrow here, and I'm going to change the size. Change it some more, and then I actually want to move this guy. I'd like to add some text now, so here I go. I'm going to put it down here and say it is a dog's life. Again, I can change the size of the text box, and that red line tells me it's centered on my photo. And then I might even like to change my text center and my text color, and I'm going to change the size, and I'm going to change the font. All right, and I actually want it to be all one line. And again, I'm going to move it so I can center it. There we go, red line. Whoops, red line, and it's centered. Okay, so I'm going to save and close this and put it into my document. So this is actually in a Word doc. So what I can do now is I can go ahead and say this image reminds me of my school year because I have had loyal friends and it has been a great year. All right, up here I'm going to put my name, and then I will share that with AAWA, that's me, Wathan. Click on it and then hit send. All right, so what you're doing is you are creating in Google Draw today. Any questions, ask your elbow partner and then ask me, please.